Hi everyone, I want to go over the instructions for the book that you're going to create using Canva on Justinian's reign. I hope you have the instructions open because here we go. All right, assessment, Justinian's reign. The instructions, it's the year 565 CE and Emperor Justinian has just died. You are a Roman scholar preparing a short book explaining the reign of Emperor Justinian of the Eastern Roman Empire, the Byzantine Empire, for future students. Using a Canva template, you will design a book cover and add 4 additional pages for this short book. Instructions are provided in a tutorial video. You must include relevant pictures on each page and demonstrate knowledge for the content you are writing about. So it's going to be a little different than how you used Canva in the past, but a lot of the same. Length. You must create 5 pages on Canva. This includes the cover. This is not an essay, and there are multiple ways you can teach the information. See our example for help on what your book might look like, and you'll find those examples on the slides. Argument. Page 4, the last page of your book, is an argumentative writing piece, not an essay, where you must argue whether Justinian is worthy of recognition as a great Roman emperor. Argue a side and support your side with evidence. This is not, however, an essay. See the example for an idea. So we have the rubric next. You're going to be graded in 2 categories: your knowledge of the content, so what you know about Justinian and his reign, and then the effort and presentation you put into the Canva itself. So we always like to go to mastery. To get a 3 in each category, this is worth a total of 8 points, but to get a 3 in knowledge and content, you have almost perfect spelling. You composed an argument on the last page, and the whole thing, your book is supported and elaborated with sufficient evidence. Ideas for getting a 4 on the knowledge and content category are maybe you cite your sources, you demonstrate outside research, or perhaps you have your own idea, in which case we'd love to see that or hear it. To get mastery in the effort and presentation category, down here, all of your pages are completed with proper requirements, and you'll see all of that next on the next page, as well as in the example. You have relevant photos. That means your pictures have to do with what you're teaching on that page, and that the pictures are time period appropriate. And you have a thoughtful title and page designs. Our suggestions for how to get a 4 in the effort and presentation category are to cite your sources, demonstrate outside research, but again, maybe you have your own idea, and we'd love to see that or hear, get an email from you asking, about your idea. So let's go down to the next page where we discuss what goes on each page. Your first page is actually going to be the book cover with a related photo. So think of other book covers you've seen in the past. You include a title, the author, that's you, and a picture or design, something to catch the reader's attention, but it also needs to relate to the content with it. The first page of your book, it's actually the second page of the Canva, but the first page is a short biography of Justinian. So a biography is a description of what a person did in their life. You would typically include basic facts about a person or something dating back as far as you could go. You would want to talk about very important and impactful life events, include pictures when possible. The second page, what Justinian did well. Highlight what Justinian did well to help preserve the Eastern Roman Empire in facts you think are crucial to history. Refer to our lessons and readings. Please go back and check those lessons. All right, third page, what Justinian did not do well. Highlight what Justinian did not do well while ruling over the Eastern Roman Empire and the facts that are important to learn from in the future. Refer to our lessons and the readings. This would be specifically when we say not do well, the mistakes he made. And you can be the judge of that. You know, we learned some things about the way he handled the riots or the Justinian plague. You can argue that the way he handled those events were good, or you can argue that they were not that good. This really is your book, and it's your decision to make. The fourth page, is Justinian worthy of recognition as a great Roman emperor? Pick an argument. Yes, he is worthy of recognition as a great leader, or no, he is not worthy of recognition as a great leader. And why? Pull from facts you already wrote about on pages 2 and 3. Outside research is always encouraged to help you defend your argument better. So those are the instructions. If you have any questions, you are welcome to ask. Please, please, please make sure that you're checking the tutorials on the slides and that you also refer to the example that we've prepared for you. The example is not an example book on Justinian's reign. It's an example about content we've learned before because we didn't just want to give you all of the answers. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.